Hi, welcome back to Standard Camper Van. So today I'm going to have a look at fitting some awning lights on the outside of the van. So I've bought from Amazon these Chinese LED lights, 5 LEDs in each light. They're about 15 quid each. For 15 quid, believe it or not, you don't get any screws, but we're going to use these self-cutting screws which have got a tip which will automatically cut the hole, so you won't need to drill a pilot hole, but we will obviously need to drill a hole in the side of the van to put the cable through. Now what I've done is I've soldered some extensions to the cable and put a long enough piece of cable on to reach right the way across to where the switch unit's going to go. This one's actually going to go on the off side of the van. I'm going to put these on both the near side and the off side because experience has taught me that you sometimes need light where you don't expect to need light, so better to have a light fitted and rarely use it than to not have a light. What we'll need to do, as I say, we'll need to drill a hole to put the cable through. You can see that having soldered the extended lead on, I've put some heat shrink across this to protect it, and then we'll, as I say, fit this to the van. The first thing I'm going to do is drill a pilot hole from the inside so that I can see where to run the cable through, and then I'll drill a hole properly from the outside. So we're just going to drill a small hole here. Okay, so now we'll pop outside the van and have a look where we actually need the hole to be drilled. Okay, so what we've done is we've drilled a hole, we painted it with some hammerite, we waited for the paint to go off, and then we put a grommet in the hole and fed the cable through the grommet. Then we've used some self-cutting screws to drill through the steel. But what we've done is, as I did that, Henry held on the back 2 pieces of timber which have given the screws something more solid than just a thin panel of steel to bite into. That'll all be hidden on the inside because it will be behind the insulation. So what we do now is just run the cable across the van on the inside.